One to eat. Oh, I found an orange one. No, for you can eat. I found an orange one. But you don't have to eat it. Yellow.
How'd you fit that in there?
Red one.
It's all
In there.
what?
The
The whole piece. How come?
blue one.
I threw it with one piece and I push it in.
Here.
Well, you're gonna choke.
Two purple ones. I didn't eat. Oh, I found one purple.
Daddy, guess what? I only got one Lucky Charms.
There.
See, so guess what? I only have one Lucky Charms.
One Lucky Charm?
Yeah.
That makes 3.
It was this blue one.
I can't kill it.
2.
I made two with an iPad. No. One, two. Oh, one, two.
And one blue one. In here. In here. In here. Purple. In here. Orange. Daddy. There.
What are you girls talking about?
So this
Green.
This
green?
orange is right here.
I'm playing with the iPad.
Hey!
Okay, but Dad's got to